Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever that French guy says. Welcome to another episode of Dragon Hands Investing. Diamond Hands Investing. Where we find a way to invest alternative ways to invest. First off, let's start with I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six of them. And yet, not one of the motherfuckers hit. It's all good, Chief. So what I'm gonna do today, I have 6 packs already fucking burnt. We're gonna show what I had after 6 packs. Let me show you real quick. Oh shit, let me put this out. And on top, we're gonna open up 2 fucking booster packs. With a small glimpse on my deck I'm working on. It's very bulky. Tech 9 in the back with this functional. Real quick, let's go. Pow. Amarouge. Voltro. Norvian, I hate that guy on the EX. Fungus, I don't know about Fungus, but I fuck with Brunette. Pow. Energy. Roaring Moon. My baby. I fuck with the little yellow Thunder Bear. Medical Energy. Yeah, I could have probably done a better job. Woo! Not sure why the fuck this shit's all not holding up. But we are back. We're not stopping. Walk a lot. This, that. Bro, I don't have shit. I'm telling him, bro, I haven't hit Nathan. Who's up? Ooh, blank code card. Is this worth $1 million or not? Cause I'm not fucking trying to go to work on Monday, bro. Let's go, come on. So apparently I didn't hit shit, honestly. I'm gonna keep it real. All right, so we got 2 booster packs to open. Well, we're setting up to what we're gonna open up next. The deck that I'm using, that I will be using in the finals, semi-finals, quarterfinals, former finals, 2025, 2000 and a quarter. It's gonna be a Rolling Moon EX deck. If you guys have any suggestions for that deck, please let me know. That shit, oh man, I am not doing very good in TCG Live. I don't even have the cards. I already know it's 4 Professor Sadas and 3 Rolling Moon EXs, maybe 4. Is Pokemon Catcher the thing or not? Should I just go with the mystery box instead? I'm fool. I don't know. Let me know. I really need to get a fucking like a little stand or something for this shit, bro. What's up with this? Let me flip it around or something. See if something changes. Alright, it's holding off a little better. Alright, so Temporal Forces and Journey Together. Vote for it on the comments which one you want to open up first. Alright. Temporal Forces first. We're gonna do the other one later. Yeah, I normally open up about a booster pack a day. Sometimes 100 booster packs a day. Because, I be getting paid. I'm fucking with y'all. Alright, let's go. So, first. Alright, let's go. Oh, Pikachu. Okay. Hold on, let me back this up a little bit. Oh, that, by the way, is Demigods. Yeah, fuck with them. Yeah, their music's not out anymore, but it's only you could probably only find it on YouTube, honestly. Here's map. Woo. Oh, Metagross, Super Gross, Mr. Mind, Dunsparce. Oh, by the way, this is a very, very competitive card. I could probably beat the shit out of it, honestly, but it's a one prizer. To be hitting 140 with the one prizer, there's stuff you gotta do. You gotta know what you're gonna do before you're gonna do it when you're playing against this little motherfucker. But he's not difficult. He's beatable. Let me show you a little gold though. Hey, if you guys have energy switches, send me all your energy switches ASAP, bro. God damn beauty. God damn rotation, bro. Just when I got a sick ass Rolling Moon EX deck, man. Oh, dark. Let's go. Alright, this is Battle Partners, aka Journey Together, Justin Timberlake. Alright, here we go. Whooper. And it hops whoever. Ooh, Spiky, this is a good one. Yeah, this is a pretty decent card. I might have to switch like one of my dark energies, honestly. Ooh, Super Potion. Get this shit in a shiny. It's dope. Arisiunu. Put a supporter card from your discard pile into your hand. Ooh. Not bad. You just might be able to take one hit. And Zora. Weak. And a Butterfree. Woo! No hits. I'm out of money. Go ahead and send everything to the Patreon. But I still got this beautiful, beautiful Kangaskhan.